Introduction of total differentiation. In the mathematical field of differentiation calculus, a total derivative or full derivative of a function of several variables x, y, and etc. The total derivative of a function is different from its corresponding partial derivative, delta. Calculation of the total derivative. In word, the total differential of xy is found by finding the partial with respect to x and y, multiplying them respectively by delta x and delta y, and adding. Okay, differential equations developed from calculus. Differential equations differ from ordinary equations of mathematics in that in addition to variables and constants, they also contain derivative of one or more of the variables involved. Okay, that's all. Example 1. The question is z in bracket x, y equal to 4x cubed plus 5xy plus 7y squared. Firstly, you should find x and y from the equation. Okay, then the equation of x is x equal 4x cubed plus 5xy and y equal to 5xy plus 7y squared. Okay, next we must differentiate the equation of x and y to find out delta z over delta y, and the equal of delta z over delta x equal to 12x squared plus 5y, and delta z over delta y equal to 5x plus 14y. After we've got the answer, we should combine the answer to form a total differentiation. And the answer is delta z equal to, in bracket, 12x squared plus 5y. Delta x plus, in bracket, 5x plus 14y delta y. Example 2. The question is z open bracket x, y close bracket equal to open bracket 2x squared minus 3y close bracket cube. Firstly, we must find out delta z over delta x and delta z over delta y. To find both equations, we must use the extended rule step to get the calculation of this differentiation, which is delta z over delta x equal to 3 open bracket 2x squared minus 3y close bracket squared multiplied to 4x, and the answer is 12x open bracket 2x squared minus 3y close bracket squared, and the answer of delta z over delta y equal to 3 open bracket 2x squared minus 3y squared multiplied to negative 3, and the answer is negative 3 open bracket 2x squared minus 3y close bracket squared. After we've got the answer, we should combine the answer to form a total differentiation. And the combination of total differentiation is delta z equal to open bracket 12x open bracket 2x squared minus 3y close bracket cube squared close bracket delta x minus 2 open bracket 9 open bracket 2x square minus 3y close bracket square close bracket delta y. Example 3. This question is z open xy close bracket equal to sine open bracket 3xy minus 2y close bracket. Firstly, we must find out delta z over delta x and delta z over delta y. To find both equations, we must use the standard rule step to get the calculation of this differentiation. And the equation of x is cos open bracket 3xy minus 2y close bracket multiply to 3y. And the delta z over delta x is 3y cos open bracket 3xy minus 2y close bracket. And the equation of y is cos open bracket 3xy minus 2y close bracket multiply to 3x minus 2. And the delta z over delta y is open bracket 3x minus 2 close bracket cos open bracket 3xy minus 2y close bracket. When sin is different, we have convert to cos. After we've get the answer, we should combine the answer to form a total of differentiation. And the combination is delta z equal to open bracket 3y cos 9 open bracket 3xy minus 2y close bracket 2 times delta x plus open bracket 2 times 3 minus 3x minus 2 close bracket cos open bracket 3xy minus 2y close bracket 2 times delta y. Quiz. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. Find the total differentiation of function.